I don't know if you can see that sign there, but Pontchartrain is the expat community. A lot of expat live down this street down here. We're just about to pop down, and it's just right across from the beach. That's just a minute from where we're staying, and we'll just cruise down. Mostly Australians, a couple Canadians, Americans. Watering hole. There's a lot of Aussies in there, Australians. Well, this bar that's just coming up here is one that we kind of like. I like the music. We get to pick whatever music we want. It's very convenient. That's a nice little pub here. We come here once in a while. Beer is 50 cents. That doesn't hurt.